In this video, we will cover how to home your machine using the B58 controller. It is important to remember to home your machine upon every startup. Homing acts as a calibration process, setting up your machine's reference points and table size. Failure to do so may result in an alarm or a misplaced origin point. After powering on your machine, your controller will display the Home All Access screen. Simply press the yellow OK button on the controller to begin the homing procedure. The Z-axis will raise first, followed by the X and Y. Every machine uses magnetic proximity sensors and tabs to set the home position. You are able to home your machine at any time other than startup. Press the ZRN button on your controller, select the axis you would like to home, and then press OK. For more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, you can always refer to your Axiom user manual or visit us online at axiomprecision.com.